Foods known to cause cancer that will kill you. Don't eat these cancerous foods. Cancer is the main cause of death on a global scale. Current research indicates that even popular foods can use it. You may have just consumed one while viewing this. Below is a list of foods that should be eliminated since they cause cancer. Welcome to the Health Hub, where knowledge, inspiration, and wellness create more relevant health advice to help people improve their health. Let's proceed to the video. Preservatives in meat. Preservatives and chemicals are used to extend the shelf life and improve the flavor of meat. The World Health Organization concluded that processed meats cause cancer after reviewing 800 studies. 4 pieces of bacon per day raises the risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. These meats, which are not available fresh, include red meat. Options include hot dogs, turkey sausage, bacon, and sausage. According to World Health Organization research, red meat is another food that may contribute to the development of cancer in humans. Consumption of red meat has been linked to pancreatic and colorectal cancer. A weekly serving of red meat is not the same as occasionally enjoying a few scraps. Popcorns. Using a microwave to prepare popcorn? Even though popcorn is thought to be a healthy snack due to the fact that it includes potassium, iron, and fiber, the chemical that is used to line microwavable bags produces a component which is linked to liver and pancreatic cancer when it breaks down and creates that substance. Microwave popcorn bags should not be used. Bronchiolitis obliterans is an ailment that can be brought on by a separate chemical that is utilized in the flavoring process. By letting popcorn cool down before popping it, the problem can be avoided. Potato chips. Potatoes contain acrylamide, a cancer-causing chemical that is activated by high-temperature cooking. Acrylamide is also found in plastics and paper manufacturing, as well as in cigarette smoke. According to the National Toxicology Program and the International Agency for Research on Cancer, it is a potential human carcinogen. If French fries and potato chips are both made from potatoes and potato chips are classified as a potential human carcinogen, then French fries are also likely to cause cancer. Activation of acrylamide at extreme temps is likely not the worst variety of potato-based foods. Potatoes are among the dirty dozen fruits and vegetables, so avoid eating them when they are heated. Cultivated salmon. Although canned salmon sounds far better than farm-raised, both the flavor and omega-3 content of salmon are good. Salmon that has been raised on farms is overcrowded, which has negative health effects on the population of fish. One thing to note is that because their color is natural, they are fed chemicals to give them a reddish-pink tint. Always read the labels to determine the source of the fish. Hydrogenated oil. The term hydrogenated oil refers to liquid oil that has been subjected to the series of chemical processes that cause to solidify. When consumed, it lengthens the period of time that the food can be stored. High quantities of trans fat, which can be found in baked goods, deep-fried foods, margarine, and other products, have been shown to affect the nature of human cellular membrane and are responsible for women's increased risk of developing breast cancer. They are the ones that contain a type of fat known as trans fat. Refined white flour or white flour. This type of blossom is bleached, which involves using chlorine gas to remove it of all of its nutrients. White wheat has a high glycemic index, which causes blood sugar and insulin levels to rise. There is proof that the consequences of eating have a cancer-promoting effect. Refined carbs were shown to be associated with a 220% rise in the female breast cancer, according to a study. Alcohol. The liver damage caused by alcohol misuse should not come as a surprise. Since 1988, other liver illnesses include liver toxicity and liver cancer. According to the International Agency for Research on Cancer, alcohol is a carcinogen. In addition, scientists have discovered that malignancies are more prevalent among heavy drinkers. Other malignancies, such as those of the mouth, throat, breast, and intestines, are forming as a result of excessive alcohol consumption. Pickles and other foods that are salty. Cucumbers that have been through the pickling process, which involves fermentation in salt vinegar and other seasonings, are known as pickles. They are helpful because they contain probiotics. Nevertheless, Pickles are bad because they contain an excessive amount of salt, which has been related to stomach cancer. It was discovered by a group of Turkish medical professionals that patients with stomach cancer consumed significantly more pickles than individuals who did not have cancer. Dietary supplements. Processed foods with high sodium content and artificial flavors and colors to make them extra attractive had been linked to cancer. Chemicals found in diet sodas or low-fat milk products have been linked to a variety of cancers, heart problems, as well as other serious and possibly fatal health problems. Foods high in fat content. Although there is only a weak association between lipids and cancer, eating foods that are high in fat can lead to other health issues. This increases the risk of cancer in the long run, especially fat. The chance of developing cancer of the intestine, pancreas, breast, and kidneys is increased by obesity. A diet low in fat, on the other hand, can assist you in keeping a healthy weight and avoiding this risk. Animal-based foods. Cancer survivors need to stay clear and avoid eating non-organic animal-based products. Numerous research studies suggest that animal-based products are cancer cells' favorite food, which makes them grow and develop. If one wants to live long without meat, maybe it's time to be a vegan. Smoked meat. Red meat and fish are typically smoked food. The smoking process retains large amounts of hazardous tar known to be a carcinogen. Smoked meats are high in sodium and probably linked to bowel cancer. Barbecued food should not be burned on the outside, as this can cause cancer as well. Milk, cheese, and other dietary products may be associated with the increased risk of ovarian and prostate cancers, and potentially even breast cancer. Due to its calcium content, milk has been shown to reduce the chance of developing colon cancer, according to Cancer Research UK. Nevertheless, this association requires further investigation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please give us a like, subscribe, and comment for more health tips.